Silos again with a new video. This is my first time ever opening up a box of Passing the Torch. This product is about, it's $150 plus tax, and there's 5 cards in each box. You'll find an average of 3 autos per box, and you have a multi-sign card. You could look for a multi-sign card, number cards 15 or less, and I think that's pretty much it around the box. So let's dig into it. So I'll put this one aside and then we'll start with this one and see how it goes. Cool. It just slides off like that. And voila. And then on the back over here I have Jalen Hurns rookie card, which he hasn't played, and then my Jerry Rice, my all-time favorite receiver, and then my new favorite receiver, Deebo Samuel. Seems like it's a thin package. Filler cards here. Because I want this to be here you go. First card. It's Eli Manning. It's a number card. Number 2 out of 60. Sure, this is just, I guess it's just a pretty sweet card though, as you can tell. I mean, the video doesn't really give it there you go, you can see the little shiny twist. Alright, so that's pretty cool, even though he's not a starter anymore, but still it's a cool card. This is gonna be our first auto. And yes, I just messed up. Damn. So it's Mike Wagner from the Steelers. Safety. What is this? Torch markers or torch marks. Doesn't say much, but it was the first auto. Grab a sleeve. Burning out Kosar. Torch. Torch B. What does this shit say? Authentic. Man, this is actually a number of 3 out of 25. Torch barrier. Sure, this time I only grab last auto, and yes, it is. It's a Darius Slayton autograph, rookie. It's a 21 out of 99. Prentice ink. Look at that. Sleeve. Last card. Russell Wilson. What? Look at that. 35 out of 35. Sweet. I have never actually ever gotten a card like that. Pretty cool. Go ahead and I'll sleeve this one as well. And I should sleeve that Eli Manning as well. First box, 3 autos, 2 cereal. Alright, second box. Go. And also it's a thin pack as well, so you can never do this so easy. Do this again. This is the last time I saw the bottom card, so I want this to be a surprise as well with you guys, So make sure this time I do grab just one card. So there we go. First one is Dan Marino. 11 out of 60. I guess it's just a base card. So put that in the sleeve. Looks like this is gonna be our first. So Oilers. Figured as soon as I saw that it's gonna be a Warren Moon. 1 out of 15. Crazy. Never got a 1 out of anything. So pretty nice. Torch barrier. Put this in the sleeve. I mean, the camera doesn't give it any justice, but this card got some nice shine to it. I'll put that up here as well. Alright, next. Another Oilers. Torch marks. Cardi Cup. Oilers. This one's 82 out of 99. And like I said as well, you can see a little bit of that shiny, but I don't know. Put this in the sleeve. Alright. this ink. And this is number 98 out of 99. Crazy. It's got a pretty unique signature. Alright, let's leave this bad boy up too. And I think this is our last, final card. Another Eli Manning. This one's 10 out of 35. Wonder what was the other one. Let's find out. Oh, this one was 60 out of 2 out of 60, and this is a short print. Nice. So, first time opening this product. So let's see. For the price, I got some pretty cool inserts or short prints. It's pretty pricey, so. And then I think this one's a silver, and I believe this one right here is a bronze. I'll show you the difference. You can see the variations of it. It's the same with everything else as well. The better, so we have the bronze medal one, the medal, the silver medal, and then I guess when it's a really short print, like 1 out of 5 or a 1 out of 1 is probably going to be a gold. So let me see. Yep. It says in the back here, you have gold, base is silver, and you have a green, and there's a platinum, and then golds are from 15 to 1. So you have gold and platinum, gold, platinum, and then that's 15 out of 1, 15, 10, and 5 out of 1, and then that's like every other pack. So I don't think we got any of those, so I'll double check again. Oh yeah, we did right here, but it doesn't seem that it's a gold, unless this is gold. But I doubt it, because it looks like it's all. Actually, it might be it. So I guess this is silver and this is gold. So yeah, I guess also do a little bit of a recap in here again. So we got these two cool torch. Kosar and Warren. I never heard of this guy before, but Warren Moore, yes, he was a pretty awesome quarterback. So we got those guys. And then the Eli Manning here, who earlier this year got benched for Daniel Jones, who seems to be doing pretty good. And then you got the rookie Ivy Smith Jr., Curly Cups, Dan Marino, Russell Wilson, Darius Slayton, and then Mike Whitmer. And that's it for this video. I do have another couple packs coming in, so stay tuned for that. But besides that, you guys have a good one.